Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the mobile data volume limit on the MapMarker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the help and feedback section click to the settings option. Scroll down and in the cloud sync section go to the second option, the mobile data volume limit, and just select a megabyte number and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.